Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the fix of why are your headphones JBL Quantum 650 so quiet. So the answer is not so easy, it may be complex, but let's rule out at first your phone's problem. So at first try to switch the applications. If you, for example, are playing the music on Spotify, try to play some music on YouTube Music or YouTube or Tidal or anything else. You just need to try to play some music on different, application, different player. If it helped you, that's nice. But if it didn't help you, you need to go deeper. Try to pair your headphones to the different device, like for example, different phone, a different laptop, different TV. Maybe not TV, but what I mean. If your device works flawlessly there, but it doesn't work on your device, then there is some fault with your phone. And you need to fix it. And we probably have the fix on our channel, so you can check that out. Apart from that, if everything works still bad, we need to focus on the headphones because headphones might be the issue. Try to plug it into the power and wait 3-4 hours or even more until they are fully charged. Then check if it's still that silent. If it's still that silent, try to increase the volume level to the maximum in your phone and check if anything changes. If something changed, that's nice, but if nothing has changed, take out the battery and try to replace it with another one, maybe in some authorized service or something like that. Or just try to somehow get the replacement of the battery. If it didn't help you still, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. But remember, if it's a mechanical issue, you need to pay for that. But I don't really think that is a mechanical issue. I think it's something inside that broke. So let me know in the comment section below what happened to your headphones. And that is it for this video. Goodbye.